2. The facial bones. Now let's move to the facial skeleton, which forms the structure of our face and holds the teeth. Paired facial bones. Maxillae, upper jaw. Zygomatic bones, cheekbones. Nasal bones, bridge of the nose. Lacrimal bones, inside the eye sockets. Palatine bones, back of the hard palate. Inferior nasal conchae, inside the nasal cavity. Unpaired facial bones. Mandible, lower jaw, and the only movable bone in the skull. Vomer, forms part of the nasal septum. Important sutures. The skull bones are joined by sutures, which are like seams. The major sutures are coronal, between frontal and parietal bones. Sagittal, between the two parietal bones. Lambdoid, between parietal and occipital bones. Squamous, between parietal and temporal bones. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more medical lectures. See you in the next video. Stay curious, stay learning.